Let's make a delicious pumpkin spice latte at home. Good. First, let's start by picking up the ingredients that you'll need. Let's head over to Sprouts. Join us and shop with us. They are running a sale on a lot of fall festival items that you can find in the store. Let's get shopping. Choose whatever kind of milk or cream products. Some people like almond milk, some people like regular milk, some people like coconut milk. That's completely your choice. Some vanilla, some whipped cream, which you can make with heavy whipping cream and sugar, or you can buy it in the store. Sprinkles, cinnamon, even pumpkin pie spice. Don't forget the pumpkin puree. We like our organic brand. And your sweetener. Of course, we use honey. And you'll need some coffee. Sprouts also has some great organic coffee beans that you can grind up right there. I've said it once, I'll say it again. The key to great home cooking is knowing your taste preferences and making it to your taste preferences what works. I will link up the recipe that we use in the description. However, you're going to want to play around with these different ingredients and figure out what works best for your taste preferences. Then you won't be needing to go to a coffee house to get your coffee anymore, because you can enjoy your delicious pumpkin spice lattes all year round at home. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.